In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Customer.io for email campaign. Start by opening your browser and searching for Customer.io. Head to the official site and log into your workspace. Make sure you're using the correct account with access to campaigns and keep your credentials secure. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and select Campaigns, then click Create Campaign. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so anyone on your team can quickly understand its purpose. A simple naming convention, like Audience plus Goal, helps when you manage multiple efforts. Next, choose a trigger. The trigger is the event that enrolls a person into your campaign. You can base it on a segment change, which means someone is added to or removed from a specific segment. This is great for audiences like new subscribers or trial users. Alternatively, use an event trigger, which fires when a person performs a specific action, such as completing a purchase or signing up through a form. Pick the option that best aligns with your goal and confirm the segment or event is already tracking properly in your data. After choosing the trigger, you'll land in the Workflow Builder. This is where you design the journey. Drag the email block onto the canvas to add your first message. Click the email block to edit the content. You can choose the drag-and-drop editor for quick layouts, the rich text editor for a clean writing experience, or the code editor if you need complete control over HTML. Write a concise subject line and a clear email body. Personalize with attributes or event data where appropriate, and keep your call to action prominent. Use previews and test sends to check how things look across devices before moving on. To build a more sophisticated journey, you can add elements like delays to space out messages, conditional branches to tailor paths based on behavior, and filters to narrow who progresses. This helps you deliver relevant messages without overwhelming your audience. When you're ready to launch, click Start Campaign. As you do, define a conversion goal, such as a purchase event, so you can measure success beyond opens and clicks. This ties your campaign performance to real outcomes and makes reporting far more meaningful. Finally, confirm and click Start Campaign to make it live. That's it. You've searched for Customer.io, logged in, created a campaign with a clear name, chosen the right trigger, built and edited your email, enhanced the workflow, set a conversion goal, and launched. Keep an eye on your results and use what you learn to refine future campaigns.